Hey guys, what's going on here? Oh, 100-meter race is going on. Here one thing is very important and that is timing. यहाँ पे ये सभी रेस कंप्लीट करने में अलग अलग समय लेंगे, लेकिन जीतेगा वही जो सबसे कम समय लेगा। रेस के अलावा दोस्तों और भी बहुत सारे एक्शंस होते हैं जहां हम एक दूसरे से उस एक्शन को पूरा करने में लगे समय के बारे में बात करते हैं। अगर आपको किसी एक्शन को पूरा करने में लगे समय के बारे में पूछना हो, प्लीज आस्क विद हाउ लॉन्ग।
Welcome to RPN and it's time to learn with RPN. Let's think and speak English.
Let's take an example. Here's PK with the writer JK. PK is asking here, आप एक चैप्टर लिखने में कितना समय लेते हो? अगर आपको किसी से पूछना हो कि किसी एक्शन को पूरा करने में वो कितना समय लेते हैं, please use the structure how long do you take to action. So as per structure, PK is asking how long do you take to write a chapter. JK wants to say here, मैं एक चैप्टर लिखने में औसतन एक दिन लेता हूं. And he's replying, I take approximately 1 day to complete one chapter. PK is asking here one more question. आपने पिछला चैप्टर लिखने में कितना समय लिया था? Here he is asking about past, so he will use did in place of do. And structure will be how long did you take to action? So PK is asking here how long did you take to write the last chapter? JK wants to say here मैंने पिछला चैप्टर लिखने में 2 दिन लिए थे. As it is past work routine, so he will use second form. I took 2 days to write the last chapter. Now PK is asking, अगला चैप्टर लिखने में आप कितना समय लेंगे? As sentence is related to future, he is going to use will this time. His structure will be, how long will you take to action? PK is asking here, how long will you take to write the next chapter? As content is very less for the next chapter, JK wants to say, मैं अगले चैप्टर को पूरा करने में आधा दिन लूंगा. So here he is replying, I'll take half day to complete the next chapter. Now PK is asking one general question here. एक चैप्टर को लिखने में कितना समय लगता है? दोस्तों, अगर आपको किसी से पूछना हो कि किसी एक्शन को पूरा करने में कितना समय लगता है, please use the structure how long does it take to action. So he's asking with the help of structure, how long does it take to write one chapter? JK knows it depends on number of pages. So he wants to say, एक पेज को लिखने में औसतन 1 घंटा लगता है. So he's saying it takes approximately 1 hour to write one page. Now JK wants to ask PK about his other writer. वो एक पेज को लिखने में कितना समय लेता है? Here he is asking about subject he. So we are going to use does. Here is the structure now. How long does he take to action? So JK is asking here, how long does he take to write one page? PK wants to say, वो एक पेज को लिखने में औसतन 2 घंटे लेता है. So he's replying, he takes approximately 2 hours to write one page. Let's do practice now. Here are some structures. Here are some actions. Please use all the actions in all the structure one by one and do the practice properly. And don't forget to pause the video. Guys, now I'm going to ask some questions. Please reply properly. How long do you take to get ready? How long do you take to reach your nearest railway station? How long does it take to reach your nearest bus stand? How long did you take to take dinner yesterday? How long should a person take to do exercise daily? And finally, how long do you take to learn English daily? I hope you have answered properly. Now let's learn couple of daily use sentences. दोस्तों, कई बार हम किसी काम को लेके जल्दबाजी करते हैं तो हम कहते हैं समय लगता है. Please say here, it takes time. Here is next. इसमें समय लगेगा. Please say here, it will take time. अक्सर हम ये भी सुनते हैं, इसमें समय नहीं लगता. You can say for this, it does not take time. Let's learn one word for a person in the next section. Who is there in this picture? अरे वो तो पेटू है. Here, पेटू means
glutton.
so. Say here,
He is glutton.
अगर आपको कोई ऐसा इंसान दिखे जो खाता ही रहता है, उसको बोल देना पेटू मत बनो. I mean,
don't be glutton.
Let's go to the next section for idioms and proverbs. दोस्तों, कई बार इंसान उन चीजों को नजरअंदाज कर देता है जो उसकी पहुंच में होती हैं, और उन चीजों के पीछे मारा मारा फिरता है जो उसकी पहुंच से बहुत पार होती है. इस इंसान को समझाना चाहिए, उपलब्ध चीज अनुपलब्ध चीजों से अधिक मूल्यवान है. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. So guys, hope you're not going to ignore your reachable things to make their best use. Let's do practice now, guys. Please pause the video and speak these Hindi lines in English. Thank you guys. Have a nice time.